Hi guys, so my second video on algebraic process, I want to explain what terms are in algebra. Terms. So when we are talking about collecting like terms and all of that, what does a term mean in algebra? Simply put, a term is either a single number or a variable or a combination of the two, that's a number or a variable, in an expression. So now, if I have 5x plus 7, these are terms in algebra. This is a term. This is a term. In fact, this expression has two terms. Like I said, a term has either a number, or you can say a factor, or could be a variable, or the combination of the two, number and variable. That's, in this case, I have a number here and have a variable. Two of them together is a term, and this is another term, which is just a number. So this expression now has two terms. And that is what a term means in algebra. So when you are hearing collecting like terms, I know, which I will soon get to. So what is an equation? An equation represents two expressions that are equal. So now if I have 5x plus 7 equals 14, an equation usually would have the equality sign, which means that the left side is equal to the right side. Balance on a balance scale. So that's an equation usually consisting of two expressions that are equal. The left side must equate the right side. So now if I have 5x plus 7 equals to 12, this equation has three terms. We have 1, 2, and 3. This one is just a constant. That's what we call it in algebra because it's just a number. This is another constant here. Here I have a variable. X is a variable because we do not know the value. It's unknown. That's why it's a variable. It could vary. Then the 5 here now is the coefficient. That's the coefficient of the variable. In this case, this coefficient and the variable together makes a term. So I have a constant here. I have another constant here. There's another term here which has a coefficient and a variable. So this expression has three terms. But sometimes it's possible for your term to have an exponent. An exponent is just a number that shows how many times the term should be used in multiplication. For instance, x squared. This 2 is an exponent. It tells us the number of times x should be used in multiplication. In this case, we are saying x should be used twice because it's 2x multiplied by x will give us x raised to the power 2x squared. Exponents can also be referred to as power or sometimes index. I've done a video on that, I think in board marks. You can check my YouTube channel or my website for that. Now, talking about like terms. What are like terms? Like terms are just terms whose variables or variables and their exponents are the same regardless of the number of their coefficients. So I'll give you an example to explain that. I have 2x, x, half x, minus 6x. All these numbers are like terms. Why? Because their variables are the same. The variable are the same regardless of the number of the coefficients. You know the coefficient here is 2 is different from the coefficient here which is 1. The coefficient here is half and this is minus 6. But when you are talking about like terms, you are concerned about the variables or variables that have exponents. If I have 4xy squared minus another example, I have minus 1x squared. Then there's another one xy squared. Xy squared here too. Now this is the coefficient. They are different. That's not what we are concerned about. We are looking at the variables. Can you see that these variables are the same, xy squared? So now their variables or the variable with their exponents are the same. So we say these numbers, these terms 1 through 3 are like terms. And that is that on terms in algebra. My next video I'll be teaching you how to collect like terms. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be the first to see my videos. Like and share with your friends, and feel free to ask me any question on any of my social media platforms. Thank you, and I'll catch you later.